How to fix Adobe Illustrator for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Adobe Illustrator on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor. #bin/bash #uninstall Adobe Illustrator sudo rmrf/application/Adobe Illustrator CC version.app sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe Illustrator CC version sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/mstore/illustrator/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/extension/illustrator/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/inventory/illustrator/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/extension manager CC/override/illustrator/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/plugin/cc/file format/illustrator/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/plugin/cc/illustrator/sudo rmrf/library/application support/Adobe/plugin/cc/typespt/illustrator/**sudo rmrf/library/caches/Adobe Illustrator version sudo rmrf/library/preferences/Adobe Illustrator version sudo rmrf/library/log/Adobe Illustrator version sudo rmrf/user/shared/Adobe Illustrator version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/preferences/Adobe Illustrator version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/caches/Adobe Illustrator version sudo rmrf/user/your username/library/application support/Adobe Illustrator CC version hints. 1. Replace version with the version number of the Adobe Illustrator that you want to uninstall, such as 26.0 for Illustrator CC 2020. 2. Replace your username with your actual username on the computer. 3. Save the file with a name and a .sh extension, such as uninstall_illustrator.sh. 4. Open terminal. 5. Navigate to the directory where the script file is saved using the cd command. 6. Make the script file executable by running the command mod +x uninstall_illustrator.sh. 7. Run the script file by entering /uninstall_illustrator.sh and follow any prompts that appear. And for starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.